Hey guys, what's happening? You know, in addition to creating a bunch of new content for the channel, I thought it would be neat to go back into the archives and show you some of the stuff that we did back in the day. So back when I worked at Muscle Mustangs and Fast Forwards magazine, we had a pretty nice office with a shop and a pretty big crew there. Super Chevy was also there, so you had the Ford guys, the Chevy guys, and naturally there was a whole lot of smack talk that went on between some of the guys. Jim Camposano, who you may know, and even some of the ad guys got in on the mix, and sometimes some freelancers even would show up at the building and get in, and we'd mix it up. We'd talk cars, we'd bench race, and there was always a lot of smack talk about who had the fastest car, who's the best driver. So one day we decided to settle a score at the local Go Karting track, and we got a whole bunch of video with the smack talk and with the racing. So let's take a look, and we'll show you what happened that day.
He's the king of smack right now.
Glenn Castle.
All right.
You need to go talk to him.
Okay.
He's got the answer for you.
I heard some people doing some top secret practicing.
Yeah, I heard somebody purging in the bathroom.
Uh-oh.
What's up with that? X-Lax. Everybody's got tricks up their sleeves.
No tricks, experience, and awesomeness.
Nice. So, Mr. Camposano, where are we going this afternoon?
We're going karting.
I hear there's some smack talking going
Oh,
on.
there's a lot of smack being thrown around. This
Do you
office.
do you have any primary victims you're going to victimize today?
Yes, everyone who's going.
So, do you have any primary targets for today?
Just
Yep.
Evan. Evan's my target.
Yep. My primary target, the winner's circle. I'll be
My
pimping my
primary.
sponsors when I'm up there too. I want to thank Ford. I'm going to thank my sponsors ahead of time. I want to thank Jesse Kershaw at Ford Racing. I want to thank Kuntz & Company for building me the most awesome engine in the whole wide world. And I want to thank Hefty because they make awesome garbage bags where I'm going to put my competition. Gotta think on the fly, baby.
So, Glenn, you have any words of wisdom for your competition today?
Just stay out of my way. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Good words.
I'm not so much worried about them because I know where they're going to be, right there behind me. So I'm good. I think they'll be okay. The only time they should get in my way is whenever I'm lapping them. But I figure I'm gonna take it easy. I told a couple of them that I might actually ride with an eye patch just to level the playing field. But we'll see. We'll be good.
One hand, maybe.
One hand. I was gonna ride like this and just use one foot and the eye patch. Definitely the eye patch. But I brought it. It's in the car. I'm gonna bring it out if I feel like I'm lapping them too fast, like in the second or third race. I might handicap myself a little bit just so I don't show off. That's what I was thinking.
You talking about the eye patch again?
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing. Now, you can look on the wall. You notice Glenn is a motorcycle racer. He used to be on 2 wheels. If he gets too close to me, he's going to be back in his own zone because I'm going to put him on 2 wheels. Then he'll be in his zone. He can ride on 2 wheels. We'll see how that works for you. 2 wheels patch on your ride. You kidding me?
Boy, everybody's got to learn a lesson, don't they? One day. Everybody's got to learn a lesson. Today's Evan's day. I'm going to take him to school. He's going to call me the professor when this is over with.
So pumped right now. Down. Oh yeah.
I'm signing helmets now in case I don't have time.
Easy.
Stay off the championship lid.
Okay, and you're holding third on the speed charts. That's right. You're gonna give away some speed secrets. Like how are you mastering this track?
Well, I just see the line that everyone else is taking
And take a different
and take a different one.
one. Okay. All right.